Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to turn on and turn off location access in your Windows laptop. So it is basically very simple. You just have to go down to the setting which is privacy and security, and after that you will get an option of location, and you have to come down to location and you just simply have to turn this on. So all your location access through the apps, websites and things like that, and your computer operator himself will also be able to access your location. So, and of course very easy to turn it off also. You just have to press on the off button again and just press on turn off again, and your all location access will be turned off. So I always keep all my location accesses turned off. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. We learned that how to turn off and turn on location access in a laptop of Windows. So thank you for watching.